How to activate Hulu with Spectrum 2025. If you get Hulu through Spectrum and can't figure out how to activate it, you're not alone. Most people miss one key step. Let's walk through how to activate Hulu with Spectrum in 2025. First, confirm your Spectrum plan includes Hulu. Not all packages qualify. Log into your Spectrum account online and check your services. Once confirmed, go to the Spectrum TVision dashboard and look for streaming service activations. Select Hulu and choose Activate. You'll be redirected to Hulu's activation page. If you already have a Hulu account, sign in. If not, create one using the same email tied to Spectrum. Most people get this wrong by creating a brand new Hulu account first. Always activate through Spectrum to link the benefit properly. After linking accounts, download the Hulu app on your television, phone or streaming device. Sign in and verify that your subscription shows as active. You won't believe how often activation fails due to old Hulu accounts. If issues persist, log out of all devices and sign back in. The surprising truth is that billing is handled by Spectrum, not Hulu, once linked. In 2025, activation usually takes under 5 minutes when done correctly. If you're paying for Hulu separately while eligible through Spectrum, you're leaving money on the table. Activate it, enjoy the content and subscribe for more streaming setup guides that keep things simple.